guys, my name is Ethan and today I'm playing Ryan's vending machine.
Right here. And then, Ethan, what are you going to show us?
I'm going to show you guys the Ryan vending machine. Oh, I'm going to show you guys the Ryan toys.
Okay. And then, what are these toys going to do?
You have to get an extra money and then the surprise get out.
Okay, so let's start by, let's see, we are going to turn on Ryan's vending machine. Ethan, can you show us how to turn this on?
Okay.
Alright, so this is the on button. And then we're gonna switch it over. And so now, how do we put the items in the vending machine?
Well, I know. You have to get these one of the items to get in here.
Okay, so can you open it?
Okay.
Okay, so this is where you put all the items for the vending machine.
And
Okay.
these pieces belongs to the order of them.
Okay, so can you go pick one out in here? Okay, and then can you insert it in there? Okay.
And then,
Okay, and then how about next give me these right here. Mm-hmm. Yep. One. Okay, and then can I get some of the bottles next? No. This one goes here. Okay, give me 2 more of those bottles and put it up here. No, put it up there. And then give me the last one of that. Okay, now close the lid. And then, can you show me with your coins? So, are those the coins?
yeah.
Okay, can you show me how to take it out of the vending machine with your coins?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yay! Can you open it now? Let's see what's in there. What's in there? We have Ryan's hand. Okay, put it back. And then snap it, and then we can put it back in there. Okay. And then can you show me where the money goes? It comes out of?
Oh, the money comes out of here.
Oh, so
And
it
then-
comes out of there.
And then I close it and then I take it out.
Okay, so that's how it goes?
Yeah.
And then can you show us one more time? Now choose one of the things. Maybe choose the one with the 4 coins. This one. Okay, show everybody how you put it in.
Okay.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! It comes out. And what did you get as a goodie surprise? What is it?
I got a peach.
Oh, peach. Oh, that is. It's like a peach apple type of thing, right?
Oh, it's a peach apple.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Do you,
It's pink.
do you love playing with the vending machine?
Yeah.
Yes? All right.